Today we're talking about our Allégro work and how dégagés help prep us for certain steps. Two of those steps would be our C-zones and our assemblées. Now again, there are different ways to perform C-zones and assemblées, but these just give us a couple of examples. So you're jumping from 2 feet to 1. So now we start with the dégagé. We jump from 1 foot and land it on 2. So a cabriole, you would go through that dégagé, beat, and land. Mind you, cabrioles can also get much higher than that. You can do your jetés using a dégagé. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.